Hi guys, Mortgage Mark. Let's talk about how do you increase your credit scores? Or, said another way, how do you repair your credit or credit restoration or whatever buzzword you want to use? I'll tell you this, if there's a ton to do and you got a lot of work, aside from time, because time does ultimately heal all wounds, but aside from time, it's a lot of work to do something. If you got a bunch of things that need to be contested, if it's one or two items, call the bureaus, call us, we can help walk you through it. But if you got a ton to do, my recommendation is you call Wayne. He's our credit guy that we've worked with for years. He's not at our company. He's just a professional we endorse and recommend because he gets results. Please note, Wayne's not trying to be your best friend. He's just going to tell you like it is. He's going to tell you what he can do, how much it'll cost, and the timing to get it all done. You absolutely have to do your part. This isn't just to write a check and look away. You have to be involved. You have to do what Wayne tells you to do to repair your credit. But if you have that one or two items on there that says, man, I got to fix this or I got to get my scores up a few points, check out our 5 categories of credit. That'll tell you kind of what it is. And debt utilization is probably the easiest way to tweak your scores to get them to go up higher without doing any work. If there's one trade line you know is erroneous, then go through the process of calling that creditor, get what you need to get, and then send it to all 3 credit bureaus. It does take time. It could take anywhere from 30 to 90 days. But ultimately, guys, if you need results fast, if there's a lot of work, or if you're just honestly don't care and don't want to do it, call Wayne. He's amazing. Call us if you have any questions. We'll be happy to walk you through that process.